Did you know that EternaBond assembly tape by H.B. Fuller can lower your production costs and improve the overall aesthetics of your product at the same time? EternaBond assembly tape's patented process yields 4 tapes that are used to replace mechanical fasteners in manufacturing assembly applications, with custom solutions available to your specific requirements. Superior adhesion, impact and vibration absorption, uniform distribution of stress, and improved appearance are just a few of the many advantages of our high-strength assembly tapes. If you thought tapes were complicated and expensive, think again. Simplify and save with H.B. Fuller. The simple solution is always the best. Connect today with your H.B. Fuller representative or email us at transportation@hbfuller.com. At H.B. Fuller, we collaborate with our customers to solve the transportation industry's most complex problems. As your total solutions provider, our expertise is your advantage.